Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cloud and Data with Koshi. So today in this video we are going to discuss the Jenkins dashboard. And I just want to create one new job. That's simple job. In the previous session we already know that how we can install Jenkins, the set of commands that I have used to install Jenkins, right? After installing the Jenkins, so we saw that one dashboard page, right? So in the dashboard page, there are some items, there are some overview page on there, right? So without any delay, we just discuss about that item. And first, we just go and this is that one diagram page I have created. So in the Jenkins dashboard, these are like new item, people, build history, manage Jenkins, my views. So these are the 5 items are majorly we can see over there, right? So what is that item? What is the kind of tabs are there? What is the role and what is the action of the tabs, right? So new item means when you click the new items, then you can create probably you can create your pipeline projects. You can create feed by freestyle project, you can create pipeline project, you can create the multi-configuration project, right? So that is the first item you have to click is the new item and just go and I have to see that thing. So we already installed Jenkins in the previous session, right? So that is my login page. I just only just hit the port number and the public IP, and then this page is redirect, right? So username, that is my username that I have created at the time of installation Jenkins, and you just click me signed in and go to sign in. So once you logged in, then these are the 5 items are there, right? So first, one by one, I want to showcase that items, right? So go to new item, and here you can create your project, the job, right? So the project may be freestyle project may be pipeline or multi-configuration project. Okay, I in this demo I will show you in the end that how you can create the job that new item, right? So here basically as of now you can see there are lots of there are lots of options for creating a project as per your need. As per your business requirement, you can choose any one of them, right? So that is the first item that we have covered. And then we just and the new and the first you can see that here also you can create your job, you can start building your software project and you can build the job. That also you can access from there. And then you can go that is the people means user management. So you can see at the time of installation I had created my user ID and that username. So that's why in the people it is showing. Otherwise we can also create and in the Jenkins the one the good specialty is that the role based authentication, the action you can provide to the user. Suppose you have developers group, suppose you have testing group, right? So that as per the specific group, we can give certain kind of role and certain kind of actionability. That like if the like developer group can only access the job, but testing group can test the job. They cannot create the job, right? So this kind of things I will discuss when I will discuss the role-based authentication part. This as of now we can see that people item we can the users we can add, we can include the login details, identities we can add over there, right? This is you can click the that user, you can see that my username is showing, right? And just go back and proceed. Yes, and then you can go probably in the dashboard. So I missed one thing that inside the people you can go proceed the username is showing, right? And here you can see that build for pushing. That means that user has any build or not, that the status that currently there is no build, no job that I have been created still now. So that is the option from where you can also get the information. So there is no jobs that I have created as of now. So that's why only empty table is showing that there is no items, right? And you can configure that your job that users specifically create and configure the job. So that that will be coming in upcoming session. So you can see that there are variety of options over there, right? And next I'll go in that dashboard, and the build history that I already written in that, the build history, that means you can the build number, once the build has been done from once a job has been created, then you can probably build the job, and from that enter build information, that build number, the duration of the build, is there any job failures, is there any build failures, is there any the duration, and that is all information you can get in the tabular format in the build history. So that you can see that build and time since the status. So as of now, only empty table, this empty structure you can see, but there is no item, the data is not provided because I have not created any job as of now. And you can do that manage Jenkins. That is the most important. I can say see that it's the most important area where most of the configuration, you can say that tool, you can say the plugins, the system, how many nodes, mean that how many slave slave nodes are there, how many different machines are there. So all the configuration, it can be controlled from that system configuration. You can add the plugins, you can add the security, you can add the user, and the Jenkins beauty is that the plugins, there are lots of and a variety of plugins you can get in the Jenkins. So I will discuss all the things in the plugins whenever we discuss the plugins and tools, all the things, right? So as of now, I just uh, want to show that how many items and how many navigation part are there in the dashboard. Just familiarize with the Jenkins dashboard. What is that tools and how many systems, implications, security, and the status informations are there, right? So this is the manage Jenkins, and one of the items that is your my view. So my view basically creates that your the current job, the status, right? Means that once you create the job, that job will be showing in the tabular format, the tab format. So the job status, the job state, you can organize the job and the job content in the tab categories. So that is that why the my views are there. So you can easily connect, you can easily control all the things. You can all easily see that there is any item, there is any new job is there or not, is there any job has been created or not. So that all the items you can see. And one more thing that is you can click the dashboard. So there is two another option, that build queue and that build executor status. That means that build executor status as of now is idle. I'm not connecting and configuring the build executor, means that slave node or other nodes. So that's why it's showing empty idle. So in the build queue, there is no build, means it's waiting or not. Like there is no build in the queue. So that is all the items is required for working in a Jenkins project or Jenkins architecture. And always, and one thing that is, you can click in the dashboard and you just hover over there or click in that down arrow, right? So same information, the tab, same information you can get from there also. Right. So that is the easiest way to go from one tab to another. That is the reason that why they have created very user friendly. So anywhere you can go and from there you can connect and you can connect as per your needs you can connect, right? So that is that all of the things that is gathered in the Jenkins dashboard. So let's I want to create one new job, the new item, and just probably see that how the job means what the job once the job has been created, then the UI and that other information, the data view that is coming, right? So just I'm creating one new item that is very basic job, right? I just print one hello one, just normal one print for that understanding that others component of the Jenkins part, right? So go to the new item and just print the demo item. You can write demo item and you can choose that freestyle project as of now. So click on the freestyle project, click on the OK button, and you can see that one job uh, demo item configure, the job is configured, right? So you can see that the options are is different, means totally changed in the configure item, right? So this is that current demo job item that I have created as of now. I just write in the description and you can go. I'm not adding anything. I just go and build step. You can go and create one build step, execute cell, and here you can write your job or your command, and that command will be executed. Just and write just hello one, and then I just probably apply, and then I can say see that that will be saved, right? I just taken one execute cell, and from that execute cell I just write echo hello one. Go to save then, and you can see that the status change workspace build. Now there are different kind of options are showing. So project demo item I just created uh, just now, and you can edit your description also. You can disable the project also, but right now I want to build the job, right? So here one option is there, build now, and then another option is configure. Just click the build now. You can see that build history, right? So one green tick icon is there. So that is the build that I have created as of just now. So you just right click on the drop down and you can see the console output from here also, or you can go and click in that build number that starting from the hash. So this is the build number, and you can see the console output because I only written that echo hello one, right? The job is printed. Means that item is printed over in the job that I had written that echo hello one. So and also the status of the job is showing that it is success, right? So that is that I have created. You can also delete that job. You can also delete the bill. You can just click and delete the bill, and you can they are asking that you are going to surely delete or not. Yes, I am going to delete that. So the bill history is no means nothing is there, right? You can also go and configure, and I in that I just change the text of that your hello one. Just I'm writing anything you can write. This just paste as of now and go and save, and same that I have to click on the build now, and we can see that build is scheduled, and the job that has been started in number 2 because the job is deleted, right? So first job is deleted and the second job, mean that item, second item that has been created, right? And you can edit the build information. So build information you can edit. So this is just one demo job I have created. Demo build, not job, demo build from my demo job that you can write, and description, display name, anything you can write. I just go and apply and save it. So you can see that the proper build name is showing, right? And you also can see the console output, and this time it's showing that echo hello world one. So that jobs is running, and it has been successful because the status is showing success. So you can see that navigation is changing, right? Dashboard, demo item, and this is the job. That means from the dashboard, we just created the demo item job, and then this is the build, right? So click on the demo item, project demo item, right? Here the entire navigation part is changed, right? You can see the status, you can see the changes, but you can click and changes. There is no change in the build, and you can go and workspace. So that workspace you can go, because there is nothing in the workspace currently, no files or directory, because I just print one hello world text. And you can also wipe out the current workspace that I will discuss in the later in the previous in the upcoming session. So that is the overview of Jenkins dashboard. I hope we all can understand. And one thing that is my view, right? So my view, I told her. So what the job is created, that's the status, the success, and that the wheel stability, and the name, the last success. So every data you can get from the my view, and you can also click the people. You can see that wheel history. How many wheel I have created. So that is my demo wheel, that is table, right? So I am created this wheel, and that is from there I am coming in the same page, right? So also you can understood from the my view, you can click and you can get that entire data that as the demo item, that first job you have created, the job name and that job result you can get from here, and the last duration 49 milliseconds. So enter information of the job that you can get, and you can also click, you can also go and schedule, and from here also you can get that out, or you can click on the build new item. So last build, 6 build is created, right? So I just click over there repeatedly. So that's why the number, there are many builds as created. So I just want to delete this. As of now, is not required. So yes, it's deleted. And last item is 6. So we can also delete that build, the item. So delete the build, the job number, build number 4, and also you can click and delete the bill, and also delete the number 3, the bill also be deleted. So in this way we can create, just as of now, just overview of the dashboard, how the job and is there, and what the execution point, where I'm going to create all the things, right? I hope you can understand what I have discussed. If you have any doubt, please reach out to me in the comment box, and that is given in the video. And please subscribe my channel. That is my request to everyone. If you like the videos, please subscribe my channel. And that's all on my side. And thank you for joining the session. Thank you, everyone. Bye.